A man is dead and a woman is in the hospital after they were shot in Hocking Hills.
This happened overnight on State Route 678. Good Day Columbus reporter Jen French live in the Hocking Hills where this all happened. Jen?
I just spoke to the owner of the cabin. He says he is waking up to this now and has yet to speak to sheriff's deputies. At this hour, he cannot tell us if the man or the woman was renting the cabin for the weekend. Detectives have not released the names of the people who were staying here. We are working to get you those names this morning, but we are told the woman is at Grant Medical Center in critical condition. Deputies believe the gunman shot the pair while they were at the Wildwoods Backwoods Retreat cabins before 9 last night. They found the man's body inside and say the woman was able to escape to a nearby home for help. When deputies got here, they could not find the shooter. A motive is unknown at this time. Detectives have not said how the victims know each other. I want you to take a look at your screen. Homicide detectives are looking for a white 2007 Chrysler Town & Country van with Ohio plates DRA 8569. Again, that is DRA 8569. If you have seen this van or know anything about this, please call the Hocking County Sheriff's Office. We're live in Hocking Hills. Jen French, Good Day Columbus.